If you're still typing numbers directly into Excel instead of using formulas, you're making the same mistake that costs businesses millions of dollars every year. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the 4 basic formulas that will transform you from an Excel beginner to someone who can automate calculations like a pro. Don't make the same mistakes I see in 95% of Excel files. Subscribe now so you never miss these game-changing tutorials.
Formulas are the cornerstone of Excel's power, enabling you to perform calculations, analyze data, and automate tasks. At their simplest, formulas combine mathematical operators with cell references, or actual numbers, to produce a result. Every formula in Excel must begin with an equal sign.
What are Excel formulas? In Microsoft Excel, a formula is an expression that calculates a value. Formulas are entered into cells and can consist of 1. Constants. These are numbers or text values. For example, equals 100 plus 50 equals 23 plus 17. This type of formula is not recommended in a production environment. You may casually use it in minor calculations. 2. Cell references. Cell references refer to the addresses of cells containing values used in formulas. For example, equals B1 plus C1 equals B2 plus C2. This is the most common and powerful method of using formulas in Excel. It automatically updates the result of the formula if the referenced cell's value changes. For example, changing the values in cell B1 or C1 changes the result. This method is recommended in a production environment and will be used throughout this course, except otherwise mentioned. 3. Operators. This includes mathematical symbols that are used to perform calculations. They include plus, plus symbol, minus, minus symbol, division, /, and multiplication, asterisk. 4. Functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Excel. We'll cover basic functions in the upcoming lesson.
Basic mathematical operators. Excel uses standard mathematical operators for calculations. The table below displays the common operators you can use in your Excel formulas: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation. How to create a basic formula. 1. Select the cell where you want the result of the formula to appear. 2. Type the equals sign. This tells Excel that you are entering a formula. 3. Enter your calculation using cell references, numbers, and operators. For example, to use numbers, type the number with the operators directly in the cell. To use cell references, click directly on the first cell to insert the first cell reference, add the required operator. Then click directly on the second cell reference to insert the second cell reference. 4. Press Enter to complete the formula. The cell will display the calculated result, while the formula itself remains visible in the formula bar. Illustrations, 1. Addition. To add the values in cells A1 and B1, select cell C1, then enter equals A1 plus B1, and press Enter. 2. Subtraction. To subtract the values in cell B2 from A2, select cell C2, then enter equals A2 minus B2, and press Enter. 3. Multiplication. To multiply the value A3 by B3, in C3, enter equals A3 asterisk B3 and press Enter. 4. Division. To divide the values in A4 by B4, select cell C4, then enter equals A4/B4 and press Enter. Observe that the results of your formulas are displayed in the respective cells. Formulas are simple and flexible to use in data summaries and analysis. Use formulas as a substitute for functions you do not understand. In our next lesson, we'll shift our attention to operator precedence.